Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the most important tech topics of our time, cloud computing. Cloud computing is a technology that enables the delivery of computing resources over the internet. It allows you to access data, applications and storage from any device with an internet connection. The cloud provides a flexible, scalable, and cost-effective solution for businesses and individuals alike. One of the biggest benefits of cloud computing is the ability to store and access large amounts of data without having to invest in expensive hardware and software. Instead, you can rent storage space from cloud providers like Amazon, Microsoft, and Google. Another important feature of cloud computing is the ability to run complex applications and services in the cloud. This can include everything from emails and collaboration tools to big data analysis and machine learning. By running these applications in the cloud, you can free up resources on your own devices and access them from anywhere in the world. The cloud is also great for disaster recovery and business continuity. By storing your data and applications in the cloud, you can ensure that they are always accessible even in the event of a disaster or outrage. That's it for today's video on cloud computing. I hope you now have a better understanding of what a cloud computing is and how it can benefit you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or would like to see more videos on this subject. See you in the next one. Thank you.